Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a mini Earth-like 360 image. First, let's open our image. Using the crop tool, drag the pointer from the top to the bottom of your image while holding the Shift key to create a perfect square, then hit Enter. Moving forward, let's go to Filter, then Distort, and select Shear. Drag the top and bottom points to the left. Then hit OK. Then you may notice that there is a misaligned part of the image. Using your lasso tool, select that part. Next, go to Edit, and choose Content Aware Fill. Now go to Image, and choose Image Rotation, then select Flip Canvas Vertical. Next, go back to Filter, then Distort, and choose Polar Coordinates. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.